In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Supabase with any app. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. Whether you're building an application from scratch or looking to enhance an existing project with Supabase, these steps will guide you through the integration process using n8n. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign up for n8n. This tool offers flexibility and can be accessed in several ways, as a cloud service, an NPM module, or even a Docker image. Choose the method that best fits your workflow and infrastructure setup. If you're looking for a cloud option, simply head to n8n's website and sign up for an account. Alternatively, if you prefer to have control over your own environment, you might opt for the NPM module or Docker image. Regardless of your choice, ensure that n8n is installed and ready to use before proceeding to the next step. Once n8n is set up, it's time to add the first step in your workflow. Start by accessing your n8n dashboard. From there, you can initiate a new workflow. Visualize this step as the foundation of your integration journey. This is where you begin piecing together the components that will allow Supabase to interact seamlessly with your desired application. On the n8n dashboard, locate the option to add your initial step. This may be a webhook or a trigger node, which will kickstart the execution of your workflow based on specific events or schedules. After establishing the first step, the next task is to add nodes to your workflow. Think of nodes as the building blocks that define what actions or transformations need to happen to your data. n8n supports a wide range of nodes, including Supabase, which will be essential for this integration. Simply drag and drop the Supabase node onto your workflow and configure it with your project's credentials. Make sure you have your Supabase API key at hand for this, as you'll need it to authenticate and authorize your node. With nodes in place, the next crucial action is to connect them. Imagine each node as a station through which your data travels, transforming and responding as necessary. In this step, you need to establish the pathways or connections between these nodes. On n8n, it's as simple as drawing a line between the nodes to indicate a relationship or data flow. Connections determine the sequence in which tasks are executed and how data moves through your workflow, so take a moment to map them out thoughtfully. Once your nodes are connected and your workflow is complete, the final step is to run the workflow. This is where you bring everything to life and see your integration in action. In the n8n dashboard, you'll find an option to execute your workflow. Click to run and monitor the logs or outputs to ensure everything functions as intended. If you encounter any errors or unexpected behavior, don't despair. Double-check your configurations and connections, then run it again. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully integrate Supabase with any app using n8n. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with these foundations, you're well on your way to mastering seamless integrations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your development process.